A drone does the job faster than a truck, cheaper than a helicopter, and without putting a person on a ladder, or in a cockpit, or in range. That much has been settled for 10 years.
3 markets are waiting, and none of them are small. Moving things, watching things, and before long, moving people. Different buyers, one requirement: an aircraft that can cross a city and then do something delicate at the end of it. So this should be a solved market. Zipline has been flying since 2014, Wing since 2012. Billions of dollars, a decade of engineering, and real aircraft in the air right now. Then, step outside and look up. The sky is empty.
It isn't the economics. Run the list. Unit cost? Works. Emissions? Better. Infrastructure? Almost none. Delivery time? Faster. Road congestion? Reduced. Last mile operations? Simpler. Warehousing? Less of it. Every line clears. Except one.
One line has failed for 10 years. Not the business case, the aircraft. Nobody will open a city's airspace to a machine that cannot be trusted to fail gently.
So look at what already solved it. Hundreds of birds share airspace tighter than any drone corridor, at speed, with no transponders and no separation rules. They almost never collide. And when they do, a soft, over-actuated body absorbs it. A bird is not safe because it is careful. It is safe because of what it is made of and how many ways it can change shape.
Now look at what the industry builds. A rigid frame, 4 fixed rotors spinning hard enough to cut. Nothing on it can change shape, so when the wind changes or a motor quits, there is no other shape for it to become. It is not under-tested, it is under-actuated. So we build the other thing. Aircraft that change shape in flight. Sweep, fold, fan, twist. With enough authority to be a clean glider on the way out, and something that can stop dead when it arrives. 1 airframe, 2 aircraft. The reason nobody ships this is not the mechanism. It is that a shape-changing aircraft has no fixed target to design against. The geometry, the control law, and the mission all move together. Hand designing that is guesswork. So we don't. We evolve it. A body is a few dozen numbers. Thousands of bodies fly at once, while a policy learns to fly each one, and the best become the parents of the next generation. Every generation is measured, not guessed. None of it counts if the simulator is wrong. So we tested ours against 3 independent laboratories that had never seen our code. When a real morphing wing folds in a wind tunnel, its lift moves back by 11 centimeters. That shift is the entire reason to fold a wing. Ours, given only the shape, predicted 13.8. Nothing tuned to that answer.
And the loop is not tied to one aircraft. Change the objective, and it evolves a different animal. A different span, a different tail, a different pilot to fly it. These already exist. 5 more, 1 per mission, over the next 2 years.
Bench, wind tunnel, flight, aircraft, evolved.